Shh. Hey guys, it's me, Solar Flare LPS 9000. Wait a second. Okay. Huh? And I'm at the beach. I today have my little sister Sunny. You guys know her.
Hi.
Kristen is over there sleeping like usual. She can't jump that high. Silly. And my cousin Daisy.
Yep.
Daisy, come here. You little crazy kid. Why are you standing on your head?
Seriously, why? I don't know, I just like to.
Can you please get off your head in front of the people?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
So the thing is that we're all on vacation and I'm gonna take some photos, and this is like kind of a short video because I'm kind of out in public and stuff. So yeah, we're on vacation and we're gonna take some pics and hopefully you guys like them.
Yeah.
Stay flamin'. Kristen, get your butt up! What? I hate you, Solar. I really hate you. Oh, I love you too. Alright, so that concludes Solar's day at the beach. Well, yeah. We all had a really nice time. We swam, we ate, we tanned,
did all the other stuff
Kristen burned. I did not burn.
Is this a party? No, it is not a party. Aww.
Well, obviously, just like every other video of mine, this will become unedited. I'll have music in it, but it's only going to be during the photos. So, yeah, I guess that's all for now. Kristen, would you like to stand up, please? No, I like laying down. Shut up and get up. I hate you. So, well, yeah, that concludes, our day at the beach. Time for us to go. You guys want to say my catchphrase with me?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
You first, Sunny.
Stay flamin'.
Stay flamin'.
Stay flamin'.
Stay flamin', everyone.